CNC shops aim to maximize productivity and minimize costs on the shop floor. Some of their key focus areas are increasing tool life, reducing the risk of marring and rework, reducing the risk of unplanned downtime, extending the life of metal working fluids, recording vital fluid health measures, and analyzing the data to provide alerts and insights for proactive action, will help in achieving these key objectives. What are the health checks your shop floor operator should run? When should they run them? Where can they consistently record the results for hundreds of machines? How can supervisors and managers be alerted to machines that require their attention? To help answer these and many more such questions, we have a smart solution just for you. Fluid Health 360. Powered by CECOR. The Fluid Health 360 solution offers a smart iPad app for operators, a web app for the administrator and supervisors. The smart iPad app directs the operators to the machines and tasks to be done on them each day. Clicking on a machine listed in the daily schedule opens the list of tasks to be done on it. Measures recorded are instantly assessed to determine whether they are out of range. The operator clicks on a task and records the measure. The system uses the input to compute and assess the result. A live dashboard alerts supervisors and managers to machines that need attention. Clicking on a machine shows the user the 30-day trend of vital fluid measures for the machine. Tutorials and videos guide the operators in performing their tasks. The task detail view has a gallery section with images and videos, as well as an instructions section. The app can be used offline on shop floors where there is no Wi-Fi, and data collected can be synced back to the cloud later. What information can you get from recorded data? Information on fluid health. Level of tramp oil in each machine. How tramp oil removal devices are working on each machine. Sludge level in each sump. Information needed by the fluid rep for analysis. What analytical insights can you get from the recorded data? Machines that need attention. Trends of vital fluid measures over time. Environmental influences on your metal working fluid. How to extend fluid life. Predictive modeling and machine learning to forecast poor fluid health and prevent potential product problems and shutdowns. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a smarter way and try Fluid Health 360 from CECOR today.